Hello students, Sacred Heart High School welcomes you. Today we are going to study Chapter 7, Nutrition and Diet, Part 1. Food is the most essential requirement for the sustenance of human life. The process of taking in food and water and using it for growth and other purposes is called nutrition. And the constituents of food useful for these purposes are called nutrients. Living things take food and water and use them for a variety of purposes. The nutrients which are present in food provides us energy. They also help in the growth of our body. They help us to carry out the day-to-day functions of the body, and they are very important to fight diseases. Nutrients and foodstuffs. First, carbohydrates. There are 6 main nutrients in our food: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are present in different proportion in different food. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are also called as macronutrients because these nutrients are required in larger quantities, whereas fiber, vitamins, and minerals are also called as micronutrients because they are required in smaller quantities. Now let us study about each of these nutrients in detail. First is carbohydrates. Our body requires energy to carry out the day-to-day functions. So this requirement is fulfilled by carbohydrates. Hence our diet includes a large proportion of cereals in the form of rice, chapati or roti, bhakri and bread which contains carbohydrates. Cereals are our staple food which we eat routinely and is a major part of our diet. Fats. Fats are important for us because they provide us energy and they also support cell growth. They protect our organs and keep our body warm. Fats absorb some nutrients and produce important hormones too. Fats are present in foods such as oil, ghee, butter, fatty fish, avocado, nuts, chocolates, etc. We get energy in the form of heat from the food we eat, and the heat is measured in kilocalories. Hence, the energy that we get from food items is also measured in kilocalories. Children of growing age need to get approximately 2000 to 2500 calories from the food they eat. Proteins. Every cell in our body contains proteins. We need proteins for the purpose of growth, repairing the wear and tear of the body, and for other life processes. Wear and tear of the body means the damage that naturally and inevitably occurs in our body. Proteins are also called as the building blocks of our body. We get proteins from the sprouts, milk and milk products, meat and eggs. Minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins are essential substances that our bodies need to develop and function normally. Minerals and vitamins helps to improve the body's resistance to diseases and for other life processes. We require vitamins and minerals in small quantities, but their deficiency or shortage can lead to various diseases. Hence, even though minerals and vitamins are required in smaller quantities, they are essential and important for our body. Minerals are the inorganic substances, whereas vitamins are the organic substances. The table given shows the functions, sources, and deficiency diseases of some minerals. Iron. Iron is an important mineral which helps in carrying oxygen to all parts of the body. Iron is found in meat, spinach, apples, raisins, etc. And the deficiency disease of iron is anemia. Anemia is a condition where the blood does not have enough red blood cells. Calcium and phosphorus strengthens our bones and teeth. It is found in milk and milk products, green leafy vegetables, meat, etc. If calcium and phosphorus are less in our body, then we will suffer from bad teeth, brittle and weak bones. Iodine controls growth, speeds up chemical reactions in the body. Iodine is found in raisins, beans, fish, seafood, etc. Deficiency disease of iodine is goiter, means swelling of neck. Sodium and potassium helps to maintain the body's water balance and functioning of the muscles and the nervous system. It is found in salt, cheese, leafy vegetables, fruits and pulses. Deficiency diseases of sodium and potassium causes inefficiency of muscles. Here are some examples of the food items which contains vitamins and minerals. Let us study about two types of vitamins, water-soluble vitamins and water-insoluble vitamins or fat-soluble vitamins. First, water-soluble vitamins. Vitamins B and C dissolve easily in water, so they are called as water-soluble vitamins. But these vitamins are thrown out of the body through the water in sweat and urine. Hence, a regular supply of these vitamins is essential. B1, B2, B3, B6, B9 and B12 are the important types of vitamin B. Water-insoluble vitamins or fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins are insoluble in water, means they do not dissolve in water, but they are soluble in fatty substances. They are stored in the body. Vitamins like A, D, E and K are fat-soluble vitamins. The table given on screen shows some vitamins, their function, sources and deficiency diseases. Probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeast that are good for us, especially our digestive system. When we hear the word bacteria or microorganism, we usually think about disease-causing germs. But these microorganisms are good for our body. Our body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are often called as the good or helpful bacteria because they keep our body healthy. These probiotics or these useful and helpful microorganisms are also found in food items like yogurt and buttermilk. Lakhs of microorganisms reside in our intestines. Their presence in such large numbers is very important for our health. Hence, to maintain them in our body, we should always include probiotics such as yogurt and buttermilk in our diet. When we suffer from loose motions and vomiting, we often throw out microorganisms along with intestinal water. Sometimes if we suffer from fever or any other diseases, we take painkillers and tablets. These painkillers kill the bad microorganism along with the good microorganisms. Therefore, we need to take extra yogurt and buttermilk to restore their numbers in our body. I hope you have understood this part. Remaining part will be done in second video.